Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. So I always have the same problem, getting seedlings and having more and more seedlings and having not enough space to plant them all. These are the seedlings for the from cauliflower, and yeah, I of course had to have it. So now, apart from the problem where I put it in, I decided to make this video today because I will find the space and I will use my beautiful worm casting while planting, and wanted to show you how I do it. So first of all, let's find a space for them. So no space here because I already planted little cabbages where I had few spots left. So there are everywhere cabbages in the 3 spots. So I've got some space here where I harvested the bok choice. So I will plant some in here, and before the cauliflowers get big, these guys will be harvested. And let's have a look here. I've got this raised garden bed where I've got some space which I will definitely use. So these are the remainings what I harvested, the wombok, the remaining ones, so they will stay here, and I will plant the cauliflower here because I had the wombok here and it needs a lot of nutrients as well, the same like the cauliflower basically. So I have to grab some of my beautiful worm casting. There are some friends, but it's okay. They will all move into the garden bed and eat all the dead matter. That's good as well. If you still don't have worm farm, I highly recommend you to get one. The compost, which is called worm casting, it's a great way of reducing waste and turning it into black gold for your garden. Okay, now let's go. I've got here like 1/3 of the bucket, that will do, and let's go to the garden bed now. So I've got my holes here where I want the cauliflower seedlings to go into. So, and I always take one like one shovel, the little one, so, and chuck it into there. I'm doing it because this worm casting is the best you can get under your plants, and especially because I already had just wombok growing here. So the wombok definitely used lots of the nutrients in the soil. So That's my trick to have nice, good veggies. I put some little cabbage here as well, a few days, 2 days ago or so, and also did the same. So yeah, I will show you the result later on when you subscribe to my channel, and yeah, you will see what happened. I've got them all in place. Now we'll plant it nicely. So, and of course I will water it all. It has to get water even if you have wet soil. When you plant something new, you always need to add water, so the roots get better connected with the soil. And this side as well, the same. Little babies are here. So the worm casting with few worms in there. They won't mind to be here and eat all that material in there, but they will not stay forever here. They will not reproduce because yeah, they don't love this environmental, but they will be happy as long as they are alive, and will do lots of good things to my soil and to the cauliflowers. Now I will water them. That's really important. So gently watering them. So just be careful not to drown them all together. So that will do. I will keep planting. I still got half of them left, and also some of my casting here. So we'll go to the other place and plant it. And yeah, wish you happy gardening. So yeah, this is one of many ways you can use the worm casting in your garden. I think this is a really good method to give the plants all the best you can when planting, especially when planting new seedlings. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please always put them under the video. I always love to read your comments. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.